ATC Reading Hub.
Today, let's have a reading practice using a classroom language. Teacher to students. Good morning, class. Good morning, class. Let's start the lesson. Let's start the lesson. Turn to page 10. Turn to page 10. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Look at the board. Look at the board. Please sit down. Please sit down. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Open your book, please. Open your books, please. Let's read together. Let's read together. Who can answer this? Who can answer this? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Pay attention. Pay attention. Try again. Try again. That's correct. That's correct. Quiet, please. Quiet, please. Clean up your desk. Clean up your desk. Very good. Very good. Well done. Well done. Let's take a break. Let's take a break. It's time to go home. It's time to go home. Time's up. Time's up. Write your name on the paper. Write your name on the paper. Let's sing a song. Let's sing a song. Get your pencils ready. Get your pencils ready. Let's count together. Let's count together. Student to teacher or class.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, teacher. May I go to the bathroom? May I go to the bathroom? May I drink water? May I drink water? I don't understand. I don't understand. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? I'm not done yet. I'm not done yet. What page are we on? What page are we on? Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please? How do you spell this word? How do you spell this word? I'm finished. I'm finished. I don't know the answer. I don't know the answer. Is this correct? Is this correct? Let's work together. Let's work together. I'm ready. I'm ready. I like this activity. I like this activity. That was fun. That was fun. May I clean the board? May I clean the board? Can I borrow a pencil? Can I borrow a pencil? Let's play a game. Let's play a game. I need more time. I need more time. May I open the window? May I open the window? Let's be quiet. Let's be quiet. Please line up. Please line up. It's story time. It's story time.
Thanks for listening.